Okay, today we are fixing the shift linkage on a Yamaha Pro 60 motor. I took out the pin, disconnected the shaft from the actual gear to see where it was binding. This is free, this moves freely, so it's binding up here. So we're gonna see if we can fix that. Let's just turn. We will yank it out. Maybe. Jeez. Oh, there we go. Hey, buddy. What's up? What's up? Usher. Where are you not happy? Oh. Okay, so yeah. So this isn't the problem. This thing's fine, it's here. Probably... How far do you need to be taken apart? I need to bolt out. I need to get to this. So let's do that. Honestly, after getting an impact, I hardly use a wrench anymore. It's much easier just to do this. Instead of wrenching on it. Like some caveman. What do you want? Oh, that probably needs to come out too. Yeah, 2 bolts under here. That's gonna come out. It's a different size. Oh, wait, yes I can. Psych. Buddy, that's the sun. You wanna find shade. Okay, what do we got? I think there's a spring. Oh, there's a ball. That probably has something to do with it. Is that shouted? Yeah, it's not moving freely. Ooh. A lot of things. Okay, there's a spring. And a little check ball. I'm sure you're supposed to roll around in there. Rolling's good. It's probably not. It's rusty. Lucky, do you think silicone? I think silicone. It might get dirty underneath here. See this ball? A little check ball goes in here. You see it's kind of grinding its own path. I think silicone. We could try. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, we're just gonna do silicone because I don't think it's gonna get too much dirt in it that would gum it up. But even if it does, I can just pull it out. This wasn't that bad to pull out. So we're gonna Scotch-Brite everything first. Get all the rust out. Oh. See that? It's getting fancy with it. Guess we don't want to do a lot, but more than none. Coat it. I don't know that this is going to help at all. Put some there too. That is going to be dirty, but okay. Who's in the hole? All of it. Bam. Some way, somehow. Do 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 do. Who wants to go first? Damn, bro. Now you don't normally want to do this, but this is being annoying. Don't use the impact to start nuts and bolts. You know what? I'm not even gonna try that. I don't trust this thing at all. As long as you start nice like that, you won't have any problems. Jeez. Wow, I think. Okay, that one's good. Oh. Still tough, but not as tough. Oh, that's nice. You almost have to push down on it. Now it's tough again. Yeah, this moves nice now. Little, I guess you don't want it to be super easy. Definitely better than it was. You'd almost have to practically kick this to get it to shift. So I'm sure I'll be checking on this again, but now it's fixed. All right, let's button it up. Okay, now you just have to kick the prop and try to put it in gear. Oh, super easy. The other way. Well, can't get it in forward. What's forward? I'm going to reverse all day long. Forward's a different story. Unless that is forward. Because this is like maxed out here. On that end, it's like maxed out. But then, going to forward, there's a lot of room. Never used to have that room. This isn't getting in for far enough. And I'm like, what the hell could be happening? You know, I don't have any other extra parts. What's the deal? I look, I didn't put the fucking bolt in all the way. God damn. Well, at least it wasn't something broken. There we go. Nice and tight. Boat motors are so simple. Like, this thing's pretty stupid. There's nothing too fancy with it. And Yamaha is great. They even put the spark plug type right there. And it's not even, there's no oil filter. It auto mixes the two-stroke oil. There's the starter right there. It's just dead simple. I think this is the air filter because there's a little cutout here, but I don't know. So, yeah, it's fixed. I think this is a 92 and it still runs like a champ. It's pretty sweet. Alright, that's it. I'll go buddy.